Mukbanging, mukbang. Are we hanging? We bang. Are we banging?
What's up, everybody? Happy Sunday, you guys. Happy Sunday. I hope everything is going well with you guys. Y'all, my voice. Oh my gosh. And actually, happy Monday to you guys, because that's when y'all are going to get this video. Y'all, I'm so excited. I can barely even freaking talk. I'm starving. Okay, we are doing Dairy Queen today, you guys. I've done it once before, but I definitely needed to revisit. Like, this is one of my favorite places to eat. Like, growing up, like, I wanted to eat here so bad, but it was a little too expensive, like, back then. It still is. But yeah, it was expensive back then to us. But anyway, please start this video off with thumbsing it up. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. All right, and let's get started right now. Let me tell y'all what I have. Okay, so for the burger, I have a Jalito ranch. That's what kind of burger this is. It looks like it has pepper jack cheese. It has fried jalapenos. Yes, y'all. Lettuce, and it has mayo, and I added tomatoes and onions because it doesn't come with tomatoes and onions. And I got their nice and crunchy onion rings, y'all. These are the best onion rings ever. They may be better than Burger King, y'all. Okay, and I got a small blizzard. It's called a salted caramel truffle blizzard, you guys. It's a new blizzard there. I cannot wait to freaking try it. Okay, I kind of want to eat it first because it's melting, y'all. Oh my goodness. When she first made it, y'all, she dropped it on the friggin' floor. Okay, there we go. Oh, she had to rig that. Okay. All right. Anyway, y'all, I'm so excited. Y'all already know I have to take my peel, and whoever is wondering what this is for, it is for me to digest dairy. Okay, it is a dairy digestive supplement that I get from HEB. All right, there we go. Okay. Ooh, y'all, what's up first? Oh my God. Yes, salted caramel truffle. Wow. Oh my gosh. It has bits of I'm gonna tell y'all what's in there, like right here, because I'm not real sure. I know there's chocolate. And it have these things, they're chocolate truffles with caramel on the inside. Oh my God, you guys, y'all have to try this. And these crunchy things, it kind of reminds me of like what do you call it? Toffee. Y'all, it's so freaking good. Yeah, y'all. Wash my hair. This is my hair for all of those people who don't know. This is not a wig. This is my hair, and this is my natural curl pattern. And be looking out for a video, because me and Marshall are actually doing the boyfriend does my voiceover video for this style. This is a wash and go, y'all. It's gonna be on my hair channel, so make sure y'all go down to the description box and subscribe to my natural hair channel, y'all, and wait for that video. Oh my God. I cannot wait. Y'all, this is so good. Those chunks they have in there, and those chunks are filled with caramel. It's so good, y'all. That is the bomb. Like, that's the best blizzard I've ever tasted. Honestly, the best blizzard. Everything is so fresh, y'all. I had to literally wait for my food to be fixed. Like, I had to wait for these onion rings, the burger, everything. Y'all, it's so fresh and good. Now, I don't know if your Dairy Queen is going to have this burger, because I looked on the website and they didn't even have this burger on the website. You know? So, maybe this Dairy Queen is like individually owned. Y'all, these onion rings are like no other. Honestly. I know y'all hear all that crunch. Ridiculous. And I just got a Coke right here. Yeah, y'all. And I got a Coke. Yeah, y'all. I should have put it in my pretty cup, huh? Oh, well, too late. Y'all was too daggone hungry to do anything else. Like, I should have loosened up this choker on my neck. Because it's tight. I can't even explain to you how good these are. I don't know what kind of coating that is, but it's bomb, y'all. It's freaking bomb. Let me give it this freaking burger. I know this is about to be good. Let me let y'all have a bite first. Put that ketchup on there. Yeah, boy. They may be able to be the thumbnail. I don't know. Maybe. I don't know. Yeah, but I'm about to bite it. It's still hot, y'all. It's still hot. Okay? I can smell the freshness of the jalapenos, y'all. Oh my gosh. It is so delicious. You have to get the onions and the tomato. I think you need the onions. I don't know, but if you don't like onions, that's fine. But this is the freaking bomb, y'all. Wow. Yeah. This burger is everything, okay? It's everything. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm just stunting on my ex. I'm just stunting on my ex. I was just listening to that song, y'all, when I was doing my video for my hair channel. Yeah, I have to listen to music so I can focus. Oh my gosh. This is so good, y'all. Like, oh my gosh. Who loves Dairy Queen? Let me know in the comments. And if you do, what do you get at Dairy Queen? I know it's gonna be some of y'all be like, I haven't been at Dairy Queen in years. Or you just don't have one where you live, but I know there's a Dairy Queen every freaking 5 miles in Texas. Like, I'm not sure if they're like out of state. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know in the comments. Not done with this one yet. Y'all, this is so bomb. Oh my God. Y'all, I don't even know what to talk about, but this, like, those fried jalapenos, they are absolutely oh my God. Yeah, y'all. I had to get some Instagram pics, y'all. I know y'all don't like to see that. Yeah, I couldn't even get an Instagram picture for this daggone burger because I already started eating. I hate taking pictures of food I already eaten. Yeah, this burger is so fresh. It's just really, really fresh, y'all. I'm really, just really satisfied and happy. The cook told me that they were going to put some extra love into my burger. And they did. Like, this tastes like a homemade burger, y'all. Straight up. Straight up. Straight up now, tell me, do you really want to love me forever? Oh, oh, oh. Who's seen that? I know y'all know. I already know y'all know. A mukbang, a mukbanging, a mukbang, a mukbang. What are y'all eating with me? What are y'all eating? I would love to know. What is that? Was that my onion? Yummy, 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 and yummy for my tummy. I remember I used to love the smell of Dairy Queen. Like, oh my God. I absolutely love the smell. Oh, I forgot I was supposed to give y'all a story time on the first time that I made Murder Show dinner, y'all. this wasn't that long after I met him, right? And I don't know how long after I met him. I don't remember. But, excuse me. I wanted to make his favorite, right? He told me that his favorite was fried pork chops. What did he say? Fried pork? That's all I remember. Fried pork chops, right? So I believe I made him fried pork chops. I was like, yeah, he gonna like this. Y'all was extra confident. Extra confident, okay? And I was like, yeah, this it right here. This it. He gonna love it. Y'all, I made him fried pork chops, spaghetti, not spaghetti, but macaroni and cheese, but I used spaghetti noodles, okay? Big mistake. All right, and what else did I make? I made him one more thing. Was it green beans or corn? I can't remember. I'm eating on some of this while I'm telling y'all. But y'all. I fixed that plate and I was super confident. I was like, here you go. Because I knew I could cook, honey. Even way back then, I knew it. So I handed him that plate. Yeah, he was looking at that plate like that. He was looking at what I called the macaroni and cheese. He's like, this spaghetti with cheese on it? No, it's macaroni and cheese, I was telling, right? He started picking through the food, y'all. I was like, does he not like it? Or what is going on? I was like, do you like it? And he was like, yeah, I like it. Y'all had to find out years later that he did not like the food at all. It wasn't nothing like how he would have had it at all. Like, I just knew he loved that food, y'all. I just knew it. Yeah, I was so embarrassed. So embarrassed because he couldn't really hide the fact that he didn't like it. Well, I kind of knew something was wrong, but he said he liked it anyway, but I knew he was lying. But I was secretly embarrassed, y'all. Let me know in the comments if anything ever happened like that to you, where you were overly confident and they put you in your little place, okay? Y'all, oh, this is so good. I'm just like, yeah, he about to like this. Had called my friends and everything. Told them I was cooking for him. Yeah, I was too excited. Too excited. Just to be disappointed. Oh my God. Y'all. This is fantabulous. I don't have any more ketchup. I mean, absolutely fantabulous. Yeah, y'all, the kids don't have school on Monday. So that's amazing. Are y'all off for Martin Luther King Day too? On Monday? All right. Yeah, y'all, it's late as I don't know what. That's why I didn't even Snapchat this. It is late. Because I had to do my hair and do that other video, and I just had other stuff I had to do. Let me know what y'all are doing this weekend. Y'all doing something for Martin Luther King Day? Let me know. All right, y'all. Y'all coming through on these videos. Yes, a mukbang. A mukbang. All right. Okay. Here we go. This is a jar that a dessert came in. Okay, that's too loud. Okay. All right. Ooh, 8 thumbs down. Like, huh? Who doesn't like Jason's Deli? Okay. All right. What's up, y'all? What you gotta say? Who's on the mic with Yummy Bites today? All right, let's see who is on the mic with Yummy Bites. The first person is Diego Ibarra. Says, hi, what's up, Diego? Angel Life Music ATX says, they have so much good food there. Everything looks good. They're not too expensive either. Baby, please. Let me tell you, it was expensive back in the day when I used to go to Jason's, and it's way more expensive now. Like, I paid $19 for that sandwich. What else did I get? The soup and the strawberry shortcake. $19. Okay, that's expensive to me. Okay. Anyway, Trina Tainted says, do you work out or do some type of cardio every day to stay in shape? Absolutely not. What I do is take a nut that suppresses my appetite. I was working out, but I haven't been doing it, not on a consistent basis, not at all. So I'm not even gonna say I work out. So yeah, take this nut and I will link it at the top of the description box so you can go and watch that video. It's on my channel, and the link to purchase them is there, everything. All right, Marcelina Rosario says, can you do Chili's or TGI Fridays or Whataburger or Jack in the Box? So I just did Jack in the Box already, didn't I? No, I tried something new there. I don't know. Yeah, Marcelina, girl, I'm going to do something that you want me to do because you are so supportive, and I really appreciate you. I'll pick. It'll be sometime soon because I have some other videos planned. So, but I'm going to hook you up. All right. Vicky Nora says, you look real pretty today. And the food looks so good. Thank you so much. Y'all are so sweet with these compliments, like I swear. Y'all be making me feel so good. Tyler Yates said, I haven't had ribs in like 2 years. Ribs? Ribs? I wasn't even eating ribs. Did I say something about ribs? I don't know. Anyway, Coco D'Amato says, hey, Yummy Bites, you looking beautiful as always. Thank you so much, girl. You too. I saw your picture on Instagram. It's so cute. Love it. Your hair was like, it looked like it was natural or something. Samaya Kamal says, slay till your hair turned gray, and you are so beautiful. Thank you so much, Samaya Kamal. Denise Stanley says, hey, girl, I love your singing and rapping. Thank you. My rapping. Oh, the what's up, y'all? What you got to say? Okay. Erica L says, looks delicious. Shan IP says, hey, Yummy, that sandwich looks delicious, and you look great as always. I have a question. Have you ever thought about doing a live mukbang? I thought that would be dope. Love you, sis. I am going to do a live mukbang. I have yet to order the daggone camera. I need to wait to order because I need the okay. So just give me a little bit of time, and I'm going to order the camera, and I'm going to let y'all know. I'll probably do it through YouNow. So yeah. Yeah, or y'all let me know in the comments what should I do my live streaming through if y'all, know anything about that. Mukbang King says, Queen, thank you. Samaya Kamal says, loving that hair, girl. Thank you so much. Y'all are too sweet to me. That burger's so good. Steffiak says, I don't like gossip, but sounds like the dude is sticking to his principles. Word up. No amount of money should make a person forget what the person offering the money is like. That's right. I have less respect for people who are like, put my principles aside for the dough. Nope. Hubby and I were actually discussing the other day that we just can't imagine being in a profession where you have to do romantic scenes. Yeah, okay? We just couldn't do it. I know that's right. We couldn't either. Baby, please. Courtney C says, hey, Yummy, girl, you be breaking my pockets. Keep bringing us this good-looking food that I just have to try because I'm nosy and I like trying new stuff. And you make it look so daggone good. JK, I don't know what that means. I don't know. But I guess I'll be visiting Jason's Deli next time I want to splurge because my language be... Hell no, I wouldn't have turned down $1 million regardless of my feelings towards you. Because like you said, business is business. And getting my money is definitely business. I ain't got to like what you stand for to perform at your function. But you just better run me mine as soon as I step off that stage like FR. I don't know what that means, girl. That means for real. Oh, for real. But he probably already got that and more. I feel you on that hair washing thing. I have natural hair as well. And yes, it can be tiring just thinking about washing. I know, just thinking about it, girl. You can just sit there and think about detangling your hair and just be like, oh, I ain't doing it. And adding moisture and then having to twist it up and don't get retangled. I know, girl. It's a process. The only nice thing about washing my hair is air drying. Word up, girl. Yummy, you look beautiful as always and continue to be blessed, sis. You too. Oh my God. So you have natural hair too, girl. Oh, excuse me. I hope you're following my natural hair channel. Diana says, LOL. Joy Robinson says, love you, Yummy Bites. Love you too. Let's see. Oh, excuse me. Okay, y'all, I'm so sorry. But Terrell Malik Cooper, his let's see, his comment got mixed. I don't know what's wrong with YouTube and why they do this sometimes, but let me see. Okay, I'll try to read some of it because some of it's cut off. Okay, so Terrell Malik says, it is personal when he has talked about sexually assaulting women. It is personal when he has attacked African American, Hispanics, people with disability. He's continued to do the same thing as President-elect. You damn right. I would have took the money and still would have not supported him. I'm not going to lie. Fuck President-elect. Dump. Oh, I guess instead of Trump, he called him Dump. Love your videos. Great hair, by the way. Thank you. All right. One man, one camera said, I went to Jason's Deli once. It was okay, but didn't thrill me. You must didn't get the right thing because they have some bomb food. Like, for real. I don't know. Happy Miss Nappy says, yummy. I'm so hangry right now. Thanks to you. LOL. Eden Washington says, hey, Eden, what's up? I would gladly perform at the White House for Donald Trump. Eating is crazy, y'all. Brandon Jameson says Jennifer Holiday not performed. I don't know what that means. Courtney Lucker says, I do love your mukbangs. My guilty pleasure. Thank you. Keisha says, you're so full of life. I love it. Oh, I'm glad you do, girl. Osiyama Osa says, hey, Yummy Bites, you're so pretty. Love you, girl. Love you, too, and thank you. RK Carson II says, nice video you did. Mukbang, you did a good job. Thank you. I appreciate that. Ryan D. Philo says, it isn't worth performing for Donald. Kiss Her Slowly says, hey, boo, another great video. Thank you. Hey, girl. Holly Griffin says, I wouldn't do a love scene. I know. I wouldn't either, y'all. I wouldn't do it either. Because that would automatically break up what you got. Like, seriously. There would be no talking about that. Like, there's no talking about that. Like, we can't sit down and talk about that. You know what I'm saying? Nadia Nabil says, I love you so much. Love your smile. My daughters love you. Oh, I love y'all too. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Oh my gosh. Raven's Good Eating says, I love Jason's Deli. Good choice. Try broccoli and cheese soup next time. It's pretty amazing, pretty woman. Oh, thank you. I was actually going to get that. But the girl was like, ooh, I really love the tortilla soup. I was like, all right, I'll try that then. I knew I should have got the broccoli and cheese soup. DR says, I craved Chinese food the other day, so after I had eaten half of it, I got full. I saved the rest for the next day. I was still full and didn't want it, so I threw it away. So you go through the same thing I go through. Eat the day before, and then the next day, you're still full. You know, it only happens sometimes, though. It's not every time. Giselle Life 101 says, Pizza Hut or Five Guys? Okay. Can't do Five Guys, of course, because I don't have it out here where I am. Samaya Kamal says, first. Shamar says, hey, sis, a mukbang. A mukbanging. Hey, girl. Mrs. B says, love you, girl. You know that. I think someone is trying to steal Waze. LOL. Divine Munchies. I be seeing too many similar things. No comment. Miss B, you are so crazy. You are crazy. Oh, my God. Jaleese Jones says, happy Sunday to you. Happy Sunday to you too. Oh my goodness. Carrington's Fabulous Life Blakely says, hey, how you doing? How you doing? Brandon Jameson says, R. Kelly not performed too. Okay. Miss Divine says, I know exactly what you mean when it comes to washing natural hair. I was supposed to wash my hair this weekend. I postponed it for next weekend. It takes me 3 hours to do my hair. Was not looking forward to that this weekend. Girl, I know what you, girl, do you know how long it was? I was supposed to be washing my hair. Girl, I have been saying it for at least 2 weeks straight now. Like, okay. It's like, it's a shame. Queen P says, I don't think it's about the money though. He's a racist and a pig towards women. I'm sure the latter, I don't know, is not the reason 2 Chainz declined, but no money is worth compromising your morals if you have any. Okay. Happy Miss Nappy says, you got me eating jalapenos on almost every sandwich. I've never eaten them as much as I have now. Thanks to you, Yummy Bites. Oh my gosh. Holly Griffin says, you should do a Burger King mukbang. Eating with Daisy says, yummy. Roxy Marie Allen says, hey, beautiful, we don't have a Jason's Deli out here in Cali. I'm so mad because that sandwich looks delish. And me personally, hell to the nah. I wouldn't perform for Donald Trump no matter the amount, especially after he talked all that crap during his campaign. Sam RS26 says, thought you were about to pass out for a second when you said you were seeing stars. LOL, scared me, girl. I'm sorry I scared y'all. But that is what I really was seeing, friggin' stars, y'all. Like, it happens every once in a while. It didn't happen like all the time. Like every blue moon, it happens, y'all. Like, I don't know. Maybe I do need to go get that checked out. Shaniqua Jones says, please tell me where you got your outfit from. Girl, the shirt was from Old Navy. The vest, like, jacket thing, I got that, like, oh my God, 7 years ago from Forever 21, like, a long time ago. It's actually still had the tag on it. And the pants that I had on, I got those from Marshall's years ago, okay? Years ago. All right. All right, Happy Miss Nappy also says, seeing stars isn't a good sign, only if it happens frequently. If so, please get your eyes checked, as it could be a serious condition. I'm an RN looking out for you, girl. Thank you, girl. Oh, excuse me. Halloween Junkie 1994 says, I love Jason's Deli. It's so good. Isn't it, girl? I know. And she says, I love the Reuben. I wanted to try the Reuben from there. It looks so delicious. Oh my God. I'm going to try it one day though. I definitely am. Naomi Adele says, you ain't lying about the hair, girl. Okay. I know I'm not. Fit Angie S says, hey girl, that barbecue brisket sandwich looks great. And yes, extra sauce would be nice in that. LOL. It looked a little dry. Okay. OMG, that cake looks bomb. As if I love strawberry desserts. Being a married woman, I couldn't do a love scene with an actor no matter how much money they pay me. I would be like, I'm being unfaithful, so nope, I would decline. Okay, that's exactly what it is. Like, to me, that ain't acting. I'm sorry, it just isn't. Like, you have to be for real. Straight up. Okay? Can't nobody tell me, oh, it's just acting. No. Absolutely not. OMG, someone sent you a comment like that on your old video. That's so wrong. People are just so rude. Ignore those haters. They have nothing better to do. Love you, girl. And that choker looks fabulous on you. Thank you, girl. Let's see. Betty Crocker says, hey, I'm Betty. Just did my first mukbang. Stop by sometime. Okay, girl. Okay. Holly Griffith says, been waiting for this video. OMG, it looks so good. Betty Crocker says, oh, I love you already. Oh, thank you. I love you too. All right, y'all. So that was the last comment. Let me finish it, y'all. I thought I was going to eat this and do comments, but it's kind of hard. I do that and eat. Those chunks of chocolate with the caramel, they're everything. Like, y'all would not be disappointed if y'all get one of these. I promise you won't. I have 2 left, y'all. I am super duper full. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all thumbs up this video. Subscribe if you haven't already for everyday videos. All right. And I will see you guys on my next video on tomorrow. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but it's going to be a surprise. All right. I will see you guys on tomorrow.